Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics question. And we are at 12B. It's a series for the solutions to other questions that are provided. Please check my channel, they are very much available. The question says, find the compound interest without use of formula on 2,850 naira, 38 kobo in 2 years at the rate of 2.5% per annum. Give your answer to the nearest kobo. Now, for the first year, since we were asked not to use the formula for the first year, so C high will then be calculated as 2.5 all over 100 multiplied by 2,850.38. So this will become 5 over 200 multiplied by 2,850.38. What I did was to convert this to a proper fraction, then transpose this, and it becomes this. So if you multiply this will give you 71 naira 26 kobo. So this is the compound interest for the first year. Now to now get the total package, the total amount for the second year, so that will now be amount after first year. So that will now become the initial amount, which is 2,850.38 plus 71.26, and that gives us 2,921.64, and that is 64 kobo. So the C high, the compound interest for the second year, so it will become 5 over 200 multiplied by the amount at the end of the first year, that is 2,961.64. So if you calculate this gives 73 naira and 04 kobo. So remember, so now to now get the compound interest, the CI for the 2 years, for the 2 years, that will now be the compound interest of the first year plus the compound interest of the second year. So that will now become 71.26 plus 73.04, and that gives us 144.30. That is 144 naira 30 kobo. But the question says to the nearest kobo, so we convert the entire naira into kobo, and 100 kobo makes a naira. That would now be 144.30 multiply by 100. So this will now give us 14430. So 14,430 kobo. Now to get this compound interest, there is another method. You can add this solution to the amount at the beginning of the second year. So after you've gotten your answer, whatever you get, you are going to subtract the given amount from the final amount, and you get your compound interest. So it is still the same thing with this. So if you have any other question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.